Markets overseas were steady while the U.S. markets look like they're going to have pretty much a flat opening. Oil prices also look to be steady while gold is slipping once again. BP reported this morning they had a first quarter profit of $4.2 billion. That was after an adjustment for inventory changes and one-off items, handily beating analyst forecasts. Now, even though the profit was 11% lower than the same quarter last year, shares of BP rose more than 3% in early trading after that earnings announcement. The main disappointment in the quarter was an 18% year-over-year fall in production in the U.S., and that pretty much reflects the company's continued struggles to bring back that deep water production in the Gulf of Mexico after, of course, the big disaster of 2010. Well, Pfizer was lower in early trading after reporting their first quarter earnings of 54 cents. That's versus the estimate of 56 cents, so they missed by a couple of pennies. EPS was down 7% from the same quarter last year. Pfizer did benefit from its stake in Zoetis, which went public in February, but then they took a beating on Forex. They had a hit of $118 million there. Revenues also decreased $1.4 billion, reflecting an operational decline of $1.3 billion. That was due to the loss of exclusivity for Lipitor. Pfizer did benefit from the addition of Emergen-C, which it bought from Alicur. Advil, Robitussin, those both grew, and revenues from their oncology area increased by 31% with new products. Aetna shares slid just a bit in pre-market trading after reporting their earnings. Aetna says its first quarter net income fell 4% as acquisition-related costs and rising healthcare expenses countered government business gains, but its earnings still topped expectations. The health insurer also is raising its 2013 forecast. Aetna's forecast 2013 earnings of $5.50 to $5.60 cents per share. That was in line with estimates of $5.53 from analysts. Now, previously it said it expected a profit of at least $5.40. Now, neither outlook includes the Coventry purchase, which Aetna said would add to earnings and was due to close soon. The company had 18.3 million medical customers at the end of March. That was helped by growth in its private Medicare business, and they said that number should rise slightly this year to 18.4 million. Aetna is the third largest commercial health insurer based on enrollment, and that is what's happening in the market before the opening bell. I'm Debra Borchardt with The Street. Good luck trading.